Let me ask you a question. What do you do with these cardboard boxes?
We have a great idea!
So what is that? Can you guess?
It's a box car!
We've taken a cardboard box and wrapped it with paper. We have used glue instead of tape to stick the wrapping paper so that there are not many wrinkles. Before wrapping it up, we have cut the front and side windows. We have torn the paper like this, and now we're going to glue it inside like this to get the window like this. It will look like this when you're done.
You'll need a cardboard box like this for a bonnet.
We've cut 4 pieces of foam for the wheels. We've cut out 2 circles for the headlights.